Here I have Dongfeng Box, and let me show you how to control temperature in your car. So all you need to do is use the home screen, and as you can see here we've got two arrows. You can use the left arrow to decrease temperature, and you can use the right arrow to increase it. You can also tap on the temperature to open the following view and to easily adjust it. You can adjust it from low, the lowest is 70%, to high, the highest is I think 31.5. All right, let's just close it. And as you can see, you can also tap it here to open the settings with your air conditioning. You can, for example, make fans stronger, or you can here also adjust the temperature. Unfortunately, you cannot adjust the different temperature on your driver's side and on your passenger side, but you can adjust the temperature from different side of your screen. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.